Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Rizky. Level of product meatball Kenzler. Bread Kenzler, name of product meatball Kenzler. Amount 500 gram. Description: Kenzler meatball, a premium quality meatballs made from that gives a very juicy texture and delicious taste. Perfect for nut or as a soup dish. Ingredients: beef, tapioca, salt, sugar, spices, berries, flour, and butter. Monosodium glutamate and water. Direction: to add boil the meatball in hot water for 3-5 menit or until serve with sauce, noodle or sauce as desired. Setahu lagi, get frozen. Do not refresh on lawan. Expired tanggal 9 bulan 12 2027. Label of product face wash Sombong. Brand Sombong, name of product Sombong face wash 100 ml. Description: Sombong face wash and cleans the skin deeply, removing with excess oil and improve it for a fresh and glowing look, suitable for daily use. Ingredients: water, glycerin, sodium lauryl, sulfate, soda, bromide, betaine, fragrance, citrate acid, sodium cyanide. Terus directions to us. Subsidy as one of the best wash to whiskey. Gently message in to land. On use the rest of readily with water as police daily. Direction to us: store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Keep the container closer after us. Expired bulan 9 tanggal 9 bulan 5 2029. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.